Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, good afternoon, and good morning to you all. Why do you stay in prison if door is wide open? Did you start your life in prison? I did not. When I was a child, I was quite blunt. I was fearless, and I had nothing to scare of or fear of. But as far as I was climbing the ladder of success, or education, or wisdom, or whatever you call knowledge, then I got to know everything almost. Then I started fearing. I started making walls or building my own prison. Yes, we do build our own prisons and we complain other people. Let me tell you, if I insist you now, take your promise to do something, can I become successful? No. Without your permission, without your deed, it's impossible. I can only try. A lot of people complain, that person let me start smoking. That person let me start drinking. That person put me in trouble. Oh, come on. That person is only can be blamed if he was putting gun on your head. That's it. If the gun was not on your head, then you are the one who did that crime. Whatever crime you have done in your life. It implies to my life as well. I have no right to complain about anything in my life which has happened, which is not in my favor, because I was the one who did it. If I was insane, I was not in my conscious, then only, okay, you can think about it. Even the judge will think about it. But ladies and gentlemen, we build our own prisons. And that's the problem. In that prison, there is no door actually we build, because we build by own self. We are not engineers. So we cannot think outside the box. That's the reason we only think what we think is right, what we can see inside these walls, which are blank walls. Break your prison, break your walls, and think beyond. Sometime travel. A lot of people who have never traveled out of their city, out of their country, they always hate other countries. I know that. I live with a lot of Indians. I live with a lot of Bengalis. I live with a lot of people, but they are lovely people. And when I speak to the person who has never traveled out of India, out of Pakistan, out of Bangladesh, any other country or European countries, they hate other countries. So they have built their own prison. Please break that. Now we are on social media. Social media is a great help. You can learn from it. Who is stopping you? Why are you watching something which is not appropriate and blaming social media? Social media is not coming in your head or in your family or in your home without any or with force. You are choosing it. You have got internet connection. You have paid for that. You have smartphone. And why are you complaining internet? That's just a tool. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, break your prison and let's make this world a better place using all tools. The first tool is us. Me, myself is a tool. You are a tool. This global platform is a tool. Our voice is a tool. Our communication is a tool. We are just crafting, honing our tool right now. Please, let's do it positively. Thank you so much. Back to you, sir.